In the past decade or so, technology has been advancing so quickly. It has become important for us as sarpanchs to keep pace with it so that we can ensure that all the government programs reach our fellow villagers on time and in a transparent manner.
You are right, brother. The digital revolution has made it easier for us not just to deliver services, but also to track and monitor the work that has been done.
Not just us, even the villagers are benefiting from digital literacy. They can now get all kinds of information online. They can know about government schemes like Manrega, NRLM, DDU GKY and so many more. These sites give information on how one can register and benefit from these schemes. In fact, the state government of Odisha through the Department of Panchayat Raj and Drinking Water has taken several measures to promote digital literacy among the PRI members.
Digital literacy has been a big help in our fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. Women in villages circulated precautionary messages among villagers through WhatsApp. Using internet lessons, these women stitched masks and prepared sanitizers and distributed them among the villagers.
That is extraordinary.
These women also disseminated vital information through videos on hand hygiene and wrote the scripts in local dialects, acted and shot the videos using their smartphones. That's the power of digital literacy.
You may be aware of PES portal.
No, what is it?
PES stands for Panchayat Enterprise Suite, a portal that provides detailed information for all the different projects starting from state till the village level. It is a major step in strengthening the digital powers of the PRI functionaries and the PR institutions.
Yes, it is true. It has made e-governance much easier. Now, PES has 11 core common applications: LGD, Area Profiler, Plan Plus, PRIA Soft, NAD, Gram Manchitra, Action Soft and NPP, Audit Online, Service Plus and Training Management. PRIA Soft is a centralized accounting software that keeps track of all the incomes and expenditure of the Panchayati Raj institutions and can be used by 3-tier PRIs. This software makes the process of accounting simple and easy and ensures a better financial management, transparency and accountability at the Panchayat level.
There is also the eGram Swaraj portal. It aims to bring in better transparency in the decentralized planning and progress. It has different gateways including Gram Panchayat profiling, geotagging of assets, action plan creation, etc. and also sarpanchs can upload the details of their panchayat. Here we can also see the approved plan and priority-wise activity list of a panchayat, funds sanctioned from central and the total funds utilization. This initiative helps in 5 T's initiative of the Odisha government: transparency, teamwork, technology, time and transformation.
Well said, Bibhuti Babu. Digital literacy has given us tools that make our functioning easier and transparent.
This is an initiative to strengthen capacity building and training of SIRD and PR.